Hello? Yes? Why are you calling me? Why are you calling? Say you don't know I'm out of office? I'm out of office. You back with me. If it is not enjoyment, don't call me. I'm out of office. Mo wa Montenegro. Yeah. Have you heard of it before? You don't.
Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So I'm Tracy, yeah, and it's currently 2:23. Me and my girls are heading to the airport because we're taking another flight. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. So we are going to Montenegro. It's literally the girls and a baby this time around. Yeah. So we are finally on the plane. A little bit of a backstory. So we booked with EasyJet and everybody was entitled to a 10 kg bag. But when we got there, they said you can't take a 10 kg bag unless you booked a super speedy ticket. But we had a standard ticket. So everybody had to pay £40 extra for a bag that was literally 7 kg or less. So this is the room, and why?
Why? Explain.
Hey guys, so it's been a couple of hours. We just freshened up, got something to eat because I was starving, guys. I was literally starving. So we woke up around like 3 a.m. got to the airport, all that, but they didn't really share anything on the plane. The plane was literally nothing. No water, no food, no nothing. It was just literally vibes on the plane. So it took us 3 hours to even get our baggages, and my sister couldn't even get her son's trolley. Like, it was just a whole lot. But hopefully we got here and we ordered something to eat. It took 1 hour for the food to come, but it wasn't bad. Yeah, right now we're just chilling. In the evening we just want to go for like dinner. I don't know if this is even possible at this point because everybody is just chilling right now. Yeah, but we'll see. Talk to you guys later. So it's late. It's almost 9 o'clock. We are going to a restaurant. It's kind of a casual restaurant. I just wanted to update you guys. The fact that we didn't bring any meals just for them to not put our bags in the plane actually annoys the heck out of me, because for what flipping reason was that for? These people actually, but no bad vibes, okay? No bad vibes. We are here just to have fun, so. And if you're coming to Montenegro, make sure you only bring cash, because they will not accept card over here. For
What you are buying, make sure you are getting the right thing, because they don't have,
yeah, they will not accept returns. They won't give you a refund. So if you're buying something, make sure that is exactly what you want, because
Hi.
why does he look angry? What did I do? So guys, we took too long that the restaurant has literally closed. They have no food, so the only thing that we can get is like desserts and some drinks, and we are like opting for that because what can we do?
You want to drink? If you want to drink wine, I can bring you the wine. They are always full.
Can you, what is it, Nescafe?
Nescafe, it's Nescafe. You know what is Nesca?
No, it's the one with the apple, peach, raspberry, and lemonade. I'm not sure what that one is. That one.
This is the...
Hey guys, good morning. So it's the next day. Yeah, today we are just going for breakfast outside. The restaurant we went yesterday actually has like a breakfast. Just want to go there, and after that we just go for like the yacht ride. Yeah, that's literally what we are doing now. Yesterday the man at the restaurant was so flipping annoying. Apparently he was the manager. So you know we have a baby, right? So when we got there, my sister actually had to do like some videos and stuff, so she gave the baby to me. And when I feel like I am at fault, when she gave the baby to me, I put him on the table and I was drinking something. So when I put him on the table, you know babies can really get aggressive, and you know he just pushed my drink on the floor, and the drink literally like splashed. So when it splashed, that works there, apparently he was also the manager. He came over and he's like, this is actually a serious restaurant, so you guys shouldn't be taking it as like a regular restaurant like McDonald's and stuff. Like, what do you mean? McDonald's is a billionaire restaurant. You don't even have to compare yourself to other restaurants. If your restaurant is that good, let it be good. And he was saying that one glass was €7, but he didn't charge us for the glass. Whatever he said, I was like, McDonald's is also a serious restaurant. Just as you want people to respect your restaurant, respect other people's restaurants. And then I think he realized that he actually was wrong here, so he didn't charge us for the glass. I'm so scared of water, bro, but I feel like everybody is scared of it. And the ocean is so big, it is so flipping big, but well, we'll manage. I'm just gonna take a shower, get ready, and then yeah, see you guys when we're out. Hey guys, so we are heading out to breakfast now. This is how I look. I feel like I look so good. I look like Cinderella right now. And my makeup actually turned out so good. Yeah, I did a TikTok video for TikTok, so if you're not following me on TikTok, can you do that? What the heck, my face is burned. What do you want? Picture. What's your outfit from?
My dress is from Shein.
The slippers?
My slippers from Shein. Yeah, everything's from Shein today.
Okay. Leslie, where's your dress from?
Hi, my dress is a two-piece from Fashion Nova. My bag is from Shein, and these bangles are, I think this from Shein, and this is from my sister. Yeah.
That's it. Period. What's your dress from?
So my two-piece is from, I don't remember actually. My jewelries are from PLT. My slides are from PLT. And my son's outfit is from Mackenzie.
Achua, where's your outfit from?
My skirt is from August. My top is from PLT. My sliders are from Primark.
Period. Oh, I'm actually hungry now.
So, what are you getting for drinks firstly?
Could I get
Yeah, first, okay?
yeah, apple juice and
How many?
English breakfast?
2 English breakfasts.
Three.
What's the sweet breakfast?
Sweet breakfast, you get the jam, you get the butter, you get the Euro cream and bread, and that's it.
So
3 English breakfasts, one with ham and cheese. Four. 4.
Yeah.
wait,
5.
with the omelette, is it enough?
It's really good. Ham and
Okay.
cheese, personally my favorite.
Okay, so 7 English breakfast and then 1.
7 English breakfasts and one with ham and cheese.
Yes.
That's it.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Cheers. You want salad?
Salad is alright. Should we get one big portion of tomato salad?
It was actually not bad. It was good. So going back, and then we just head to the boat house. Going to the beach, going to the beach. It's so uncomfortable, babe. It's hot. It's flipping hot.
It's okay.
It's hot.
Montenegro! Sing us Montenegro! 5 days! 5 days! 5 days! 5 days! I'm the one.
So guys, we are here. It looks so good. Oh, yes. My phone is actually 11%, so well. It looks so good, really. I'm scared for my phone. I'm still gonna record it.
Biggest
This is where the soldiers used to come and hide if there were like wars and stuff. Yeah. This video is for my uni students, the one that are starting in September, and continuing students. One thing that makes your uni life experience fun is the place that you stay. People haven't still booked their accommodations and they're waiting for September, but by September the prices will rise like crazy. Amber Student is just one of the best uni accommodations across the world. It's not only in Europe, it's in Canada, Australia. It's literally in 64 plus cities. So Amber Student have rooms ranging from NSU to shared accommodations to studio accommodations. They have very affordable pricing, and then people are always there with you throughout the booking process. If you're still looking for an accommodation to book this September, look no further. Just click in my bio there, use my link, and then book yourself a uni accommodation and come back and thank me later. All right. Hey guys, so it's day 3 in Montenegro. We're about to go for lunch. This is my outfit. Yeah, not anything too much. Yeah, I'll show you guys the girls' outfit later. So that's Daniela. One of my girls also using this. Where are we going?
We're going to Divino.
We're going to Divino.
Yeah.
Hey, you heard the girl. The sun is scorching. Alright, it's here. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, good evening. So we've come back from brunch. We are going for dinner. It's an all-round dinner.